task number 4 is you want to give your new staff member access to published content on your site. So you've got a temp in, or you've got somebody new working for you, and you need to set them up to add content on the site.
Why isn't there an administrator button to give them permission?
Don't know. You would want.
I'd go to tools options. Tools options accounts. Configure probably no. I don't know. Can you do that? See, then again, I don't know whether that people button there is to list the people that you want to put on there, the people that have access to change it.
Mm.
So it could have dual purpose.
Mm.
I don't know.
Right.
I don't know. It needs an options account or
So
something.
people could be.
People could either be people as in staff, or people who have access to change things, and you can limit what they can change. So you can give them like an administrator account or a user account to limit what they could change. But it could
explore in which case, which you got those two. Let's say in your head you've got those two options. Which one of those would be appropriate for this question about you want to give new staff member access to content, put content on your website? What would happen? You want one of the options for using people was for content about people in your organization.
It would make.
But the other one is about
authorization levels.
Yeah.
Mm.
So
It would
look at the second one then.
Yeah.
What would happen? How would you use people?
You click on people and it'd have a list of. This is bearing in mind that I'm in charge of it.
Mm-hmm.
Taking from that, you click on people and you have a list of people who have access to change things, and you can go into their profiles therefore and limit or allow them to change whatever they need to, whatever you want them to have access to. Like some people, if we're using it, for example, what we do is advertise jobs. So whilst our receptionists and our temps have access to put the jobs on and take them off and put some content on and take some content off, they don't have the passwords and the allowance to change the look of the website, to change certain things, like you've got your headers and your footers and so it'd be nice if you could allow them accesses, different forms of access under one password, but the administrator has, whoever the person in charge of it or licensee, whatever you want to call it, has control over the lot.
Right.
And then you can give access or limit people.
Okay. That would be good.
But they need to think about what that's called if that's going to be the case.
Right.
Can't call it people.
You can't.
Therefore, can I change my answer to number 1?
Right.
Because I've just changed what that button does.
All right. So what was you changing your answer to number 1 then? I put too many words in your mouth the first time around, didn't I?
I'd go into the content button.
Right.
And under content find the staff and then go in there and edit.
Okay. Good.
Again, simple.
Yeah.
Because people could mean something completely different, but you don't think of it until you ask these questions.
That's right. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
See, and I have preconceived notions about it myself because I use this sort of thing. So that's why I'm trying. So I'm not right. Because it doesn't mean I'm right because I have the preconceived notion.
No. I think if they're going to do it, they've got to think
And that's
seriously. I
that's-
mean,
that's why we're
content
doing
brilliant,
this.
appearance brilliant, help brilliant.
That's why.
For someone
we
done
must-
modules probably means something to people who do more with internets than me, and configuration probably does. But information architecture and people are rubbish names for buttons.
Right. Very clear. Very clear. Task 5 is we need to make revisions to an article that you published on this website this time last year.
Content.
Right?
And bearing in mind, in
Yeah.
my head, it's laid out like a little family tree.
Mm-hmm.
So I should be able to look under that, where the article is, pull it up, and click on edit, because that big menu will be there.
Right. No hesitation on that one.
No,
Mm.
I think.
Good, good.
Have you noticed I've ignored the configuration of the modules button? Yeah.
I don't know that you ignored it. You just
That would be
immediately knew.
My
You just-
simple way of
Mm.
doing it.
It
Because
seemed intuitive.
I mean, if
to you.
there's different ways of doing it, if you can do it a different way, that's great. But my simple way of doing it would be finding it,
Yeah,
clicking on it, edit it.
yeah. It seems intuitive to you. That's the right answer. If there, all answers are right. Is probably a better way rather than say there are no right or wrong. They're all right.
No, right.
Yes.
Yeah, right.
So the last task number 6 is we need to make a new product category for the products listed on your website.
Okay.
Should I repeat that again?
No.
Okay.
Please don't. Okay, there could be two different ways of doing it. This is my view.
Mm-hmm.
Either go into content and find the product listing and do it that way,
Mm-hmm.
or the website could be set up into different modules. So you've got your salesy page with your product listings, then you've got your purchase page on your home page and things
Mhm.
like that, and do it under that. Would
Right.
be my view.
Mm-hmm. So content for modules.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
not entirely sure,
Right.
but
Okay. Well, that finishes off the task really, and that nearly wraps it up. Is there anything you'd like to add about anything generally about this? What you see on the screen, or
other than what I've already said, that it needs dumbing down for us simple people, because some of those,
or smartening it up for smart people?
well,
Like you.
simplifying.
Yeah, simplifying.
If it was
Yeah.
simplified, because information architecture is two big words.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Good answer. Good answer. Anything else you'd want to add? You never want to take another usability test in your life, or you want to take. I think there's an opportunity to do. We'll do
Can
some
I have
more.
some training?
Absolutely. Okay.
Can
well,
this please be made easier than Mambo?
Okay. Well, thank you very much, Jill.
Thank you.
And,
Bye.
bye.